Hi everyone, here is how to get the power of AI within WhatsApp. It is called Mobile GPT and it is powered by GPT-4. Send a text in your WhatsApp to this number and it will reply you. Ask any question and you get an answer for it. It can even generate pictures, AI pictures. It can generate an entire document and quality images for you. So let's try it and see how it works. Let's have an example. Go to your WhatsApp. This is the AI, the number I talked to you about. This is the number, you can see it here. This is the number. Okay. Now, this is the menu. First, when you want to start, type a menu like this, menu. So it will show you its menu. So I have the menu here. You can see it brought the menu. So whenever you want to do something, click on the menu or tap on the menu like this. And let's say you want it to generate a document. You can see it here. Tap on it and go to send. Okay, now it will start generating an AI document for you. You can see what is the type of Word document you need. You can see it has selected, you can see there is assignment, essay, business plan. Okay, let's say business plan, and see what it will bring. This is an amazing AI tool. You can see it brought a lot of informations. You can see purpose, goals of business plan, description of. These are the type. We can say, okay, let's choose purpose. Purpose, and see if it will reply to. This will take a while. Please be patient. You see, it will generate a lot of information for you. The same AI tool can also generate pictures, AI pictures. You can see here, when I asked for Messi, it brought this image for me. This is how you can generate an AI image. You can see it here, generate AI. Okay, it brought me the answer. Let's see what it brought. Wow, this is a document about the purpose, plan, the business I asked for. You can see. So this AI tool is very, very, very amazing. It can help a lot. You can see it is a book. It is a book. So you can open it and go through it one after the other. It is amazing. You can also ask, as I said, you can just tap on the menu and let's see, you want an image. Okay. Okay. Image or photo, let's say photo of, uh, let's say Ronaldo. Okay. It's just an example. Okay. You see what dimension? Let me say landscape. Number 2. You can see you have selected landscape, photo, Ronaldo. Please wait a moment. You can see it is generating it. It will bring it less than a minute. You can see Ronaldo. This AI. So now I brought Ronaldo and Messi. So people won't fight me again. This Messi and this Ronaldo. So I think I will stop here, and you can go on. I can go on and on. Uh, you can see we have categories here. So I hope this video is clear. Please subscribe to my channel and also try it and let me know in the comment. This is only just on your mobile phone. It's not you are not going to use any PC. Your mobile phone, you can just try it now and let me know your comment. As I said, I will stop here, go and try and let me know. Bye.